approving an asset, refreshing an SEO dashboard, booking time on a round-robin calendar. Two things all of these mini applications have in common. They require pulling or updating information from tools, and they can be built in Gumloop with live artifacts. Now, live artifacts are simple. It means the artifacts you build on Gumloop can interact with the data they're built on top of. They're no longer static. They actually feel more like mini applications. Let's take this Google Sheet of an upcoming event, a very exclusive one, and I want to make it easy for anyone on the team to approve guests. So I've got this Gumloop agent with access to Google Sheets, Slack, and Apollo, and I want to create an app with tool where anyone on the team can come in and approve outstanding guests. Now let's go to the agent and type create an app that let's use the new speech to text. Create an app where we see stats about our event and a list of guests that need approval. And when I approve a guest, I want the sheet column approved to be updated to yes, and a Slack message sent to the events channel, letting the team know that we've approved a new guest. Very cool. Now I'm going to let the agent cook here. And what's happening is that the agent is writing, an application. It's building the UI that our team will interface with and connect it to the back end of our application. In this case, it's going to be our Google Sheet, but it can be anything you use. Now let's see what it came up with. And now that's pretty cool. We have a live artifact, basically an application. We can approve outstanding attendees and see that it updates the underlying sheet and sends a Slack message just like we want. We can refresh to see any updates in the sheet reflected here as well. And just like that, we've built an app, a live artifact. Now, the final note here is that these artifacts are no different than dead artifacts in that you can share them with a colleague, a team, or an organization. Now, the main difference is that because this is pulling and acting on real data, we'll always make sure that the person interacting with this artifact has access to the underlying tools. If they don't, they won't be able to see or update the information. And that's it. Go make that booking app, that approval workflow, the interactive seating chart that you've always wanted to build, all within Gumloop.